on then, 2 days after the tragic death in Ghatkopar, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is scheduled to hold a rally there today. The roadshow will cover 2.5 kilometers distance and will start at around 8 p.m. The PM will be campaigning for BJP's Mihir Kotecha, who is contesting from Mumbai's northeast constituency. But before the Ghatkopar roadshow, PM Modi will be addressing the rally first at Dindori and then at Kalyan. My colleague Aishwarya Patel is joining us from ground zero with the latest report. Over to you, Aishwarya.
Well, Ankita, this is the point where the rally actually begins. We are currently in Ghatkopar. The mood and the sentiment here is pretty upbeat, especially after the billboard collapse that happened. It doesn't feel like anything really happened, but moving on from that, really, people are in a cheerful mode. There's been celebrations happening since a couple of hours now. We've seen lazim, bands and special forces also been deployed since Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be visiting in just a couple of hours. As you rightly mentioned, he's currently probably in Kalyan because by 4:45 he should have been addressing the public there. And going forward, soon after this, we will also see Prime Minister Narendra Modi coming to Ghatkopar, addressing the public in Kalyan. Post that, he comes here for the rally as well. And what is crucial here to understand is that these three constituencies, including Dindori, Kalyan, as well as Ghatkopar, are very important since the phase 5 of the elections happen on 20th of May, and that will be the last set of elections and the last phase for Maharashtra. We'll see after that which of the parties will battle it out in sometime in June. Of course, on the 4th of June, we'll see which party exactly, whether it's the Maha Vikas Aghadi or the Mahayuti, which will take the seat and decide the fate for the state of Maharashtra.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.